sure all of you brush your teeth at least once a day. But how many of you have been cleaning your tongue? So, in this video, we are going to talk about tongue scraping or tongue cleaning, a simple but effective way to improve your oral health. What is tongue scraping? Tongue scraping is the process of removing bacteria, food particles and other debris from the surface of your tongue. It has been around for thousands of years and is a common practice in many cultures. Tongue are common indicator of how your body is doing, and thus keeping them clean is very important. What does your tongue say about your health? Your tongue can tell you a lot about your overall health. A healthy tongue is typical pink, moist and covered in tiny bumps called papillae. However, changes in the color, texture or appearance of your tongue can be a sign of a health problem. Here are some signs and symptoms to look for. First, color. A red tongue can be sign of inflammation, infection or dehydration. A pale tongue can be a sign of anemia or other blood disorder. A black tongue can be a sign of certain medication or infections. Second, texture. A smooth tongue can be a sign of iron deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency or certain autoimmune disease. A bumpy tongue can be a sign of allergies, infection or oral cancer. Third, appearance. Sores, patches or lumps on the tongue can be a sign of a variety of health problems including infections, oral cancer and syphilis. If you notice any changes in your tongue, it's important to see a doctor or dentist to rule out any underlying health problems. Why is tongue scraping important? Your tongue is home to billions of bacteria. Some of these bacteria are good for your oral health, but others can cause problems like bad breath, plaque buildup, and even gum disease. Regular tongue scraping can help to remove these harmful bacteria and improve your overall oral health. Avoid any of the problems stated previously and have a healthy looking tongue and thus good overall health. How to scrape your tongue? To scrape your tongue, you will need a tongue scraper. You can find tongue scrapers at most drugstore and online. Place the tongue scraper at the back of your tongue like this and gently scrape forward. Okay, like this. Okay, and repeat this process 2 to 3 times, and after that rinse your mouth with water. Tips for tongue scraping. Be gentle when scraping your tongue. You do not want to irritate your tongue or cause it to bleed. If you have a vomiting sensation, start by scraping the front of your tongue and gradually work your way back. You can tongue scrape once or twice a day, depending on your needs. Benefits of tongue scraping. Regular tongue scraping can help reduce bad breath, remove plaque and bacteria, improve gum health, boost taste buds, whiten teeth and improve heart health, among many other amazing benefits. Tongue scraping is a simple and effective way to improve your oral health. If you are looking for a way to freshen your breath, whiten your teeth and reduce your risk of gum disease, we encourage you to try tongue scraping. You can find different types of tongue scraper on the market. Some are made of plastic while others are made of metal. Okay, this type of metal. While we highly recommend using one made out of copper for the best cleaning like the one I use, you can choose a tongue scraper that is comfortable for you to use. And last but not the least, think positive, be positive and spread the positivity all around you. Namaste.